Hey beauties, welcome back to Beauty Hacks. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the best skincare tips. Today, we're diving into one of my favorite topics, Korean skincare. K-beauty is famous for giving people that clear, glass-like skin we all dream of. And guess what? You can achieve it too. I'm sharing 5 essential Korean skincare tips that will transform your skin. Ready? Let's get started. Tip number 1, double cleansing. This is the holy grail of Korean skincare. Instead of using just one cleanser, you start with an oil-based cleanser to melt away makeup, sunscreen, and excess sebum. Then you follow up with a water-based cleanser to remove dirt, sweat, and impurities. This two-step method ensures your pores are completely clean, preventing breakouts and dull skin. Trust me, once you start double cleansing, you'll never go back. Tip number 2, the 7 skin method. This K-beauty hack involves layering toner 7 times to deeply hydrate the skin. Instead of using heavy creams, this method plumps up your skin with lightweight moisture, giving you that bouncy, youthful glow. If 7 layers feel like too much, start with 3 or 5 layers and build up. Your skin will thank you. Tip number 3, sheet masks. Korean skincare is all about hydration, and sheet masks are an easy way to get that instant glow. They're packed with serums that nourish your skin and keep it plump. Use them 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. Pro tip, keep your sheet masks in the fridge for a cooling effect, perfect for reducing puffiness. Tip number 4, sunscreen. This is non-negotiable in Korean skincare. UV rays are the #1 cause of premature aging, dark spots, and dullness. Koreans use lightweight, hydrating sunscreens every single day, even when it's cloudy. And finally, tip number 5, beauty, sleep, and skincare. In Korea, night skincare is just as important as morning routines. Using a good night cream or sleeping mask helps your skin repair and rejuvenate while you sleep. And don't forget to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Your skin regenerates best at night. So there you have it, 5 Korean skincare tips for clear, glowing skin. Let me know in the comments which tip you're going to try first. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, beauties. See you in the next video. Bye!